Welcome to another episode of Local Fish, Local Flavors. Today I'm so excited to have the chance to walk you through how to cook the oh-so-delicious dish, walleye and mushrooms. For this recipe, you will need salt, pepper, a red onion, mushrooms, 1 lemon, butter, and our featured ingredient, fresh, skin-on walleye fillets. To get started, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your ingredients. You will need 1/3 of a cup of fresh mushrooms, 1 tablespoon finely chopped onions, 6 to 8 tablespoons melted butter, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. In a shallow baking dish, mix the melted butter, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Dip the walleye fillets in the butter mixture. And place them in a shallow baking dish. Cover the fillets with mushrooms. Onions, and the remaining butter mixture. Now it's ready to bake. The baking time depends on the thickness of the fillets. We will set our timer for 10 minutes, even though it could take 15 to 20 minutes to cook. You will know when your fillets are done when the muscle segments start to separate when you apply a little pressure. Today we'll cut our fillet into individual portions and serve it with quinoa, corn, green beans, and a wedge of lemon. Happy cooking! We hope to see you soon.